My name is Steve, and welcome to my shop. This video is part number 2 of my quick change tool post modification for the Myford 10 lathe. In the first video I made an adapter nut for it so that it would hold tight on the Myford compound slide, and this part 2 I'm modifying the tool holders themselves in order to get the tip height of the tool bit down below or at or below center. In the introductory video that I shot at my friend's shop, I showed what the problem was. So let's go on and solve problem number 2. I'm over at my surface plate and I'm going to score a line 1/8 inch just as a anti-bozo line. Now we're going to go over to the milling machine and take 1/8 of an inch off of each one of the tool holders. I've already set up the mill and the vise and put some parallels in it, and I'm using a 3/4 inch carbide indexable mill. I'm going to touch off and probably take about 25 thousandths from my first cut just to feel it out, and then we'll determine how far I'm going to go from there. Okay, I'm touched off. Gonna zero my dial on my feed. Okay, so that's 10, 20, 25. Let's give it a try at 25 thousandths. Okay, that was 25 thousandths with no problem. So I'm going to go 50 on this and see how we make out. have 50 thousandths left to go. I'm going to split that in two. Okay, this should be the final cut. It's 25 thousandths. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. I'll take it over the bench and use a file to finish deburring it. I need to deburr these pieces just using a file. Alright, I'm going to do the rest of them off camera. I've got the tool holders all deburred. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to put a black oxide finish on them. But before I do that, I just want to show you this one holder. This holder has a V in it, and I didn't feel comfortable going the full 1/8 inch, and that would have made that awful thin section there. So I only went 100 thousandths. I left 25. I hope that's going to work out for them. So this is a concentrate. I use Caswell black oxide concentrate, and it's mixed 1 ounce to 9 ounces. I've already put my 9 ounces of water in the container, and now I'm going to put 1 ounce of the concentrate in there. I've already cleaned the parts. I degreased them. I usually use acetone to degrease them, and I've got a gallon of it here in the shop somewhere, and I'll be darned if I can find it. So I used the non-chlorinated brake clean in place of it, and that should work just fine. So I'm going to put these in the solution, and you put them in for anywhere between 30 seconds and 5 minutes. So I'm going to just put them all in there at once. Looks like I might have some contamination on a couple of them around the screw holes, although it's going. I'll let them sit in there for a few minutes, and in the meantime I'm going to go fill a cup with fresh water to rinse them. They've been in the solution for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm pretty satisfied with them, so I'm going to take them out and put them in the rinse now. Doesn't look too bad. I'll let them dry, and then I've got an oil finish sealer to put on them. Well, that wraps up part 2 of my Myford 10 quick change tool post modification. If you're interested in this tool post, I have left an Amazon link in the description of the video. I want to thank all my subscribers that have stuck by me during my absence. I'm going to try and do better. I've got a lot of videos in the can, if you will, scheduled to work on. I've actually already got some video in the camera. See you in the next video.